Hello and welcome to My Stock Tutorials with Shane. In this video, we will be covering stock inquiries, what stock inquiries can offer, all the features it has, and what you can do with it. So what is stock inquiries? Well, let's take a look. You go to the top left menu and you select stock inquiries, and you'll be brought to this page. Now, stock inquiries basically gives you all the relevant information you need when it comes to all your products that you have in MyStock and in your business. So basically what it is meaning is that you can search for your products via a department or via the suppliers that these products are assigned to, or even by tags that are assigned to those products. So let's take a look here. On the right, you can see that you can select by searching via a department, and these will be all your departments that you have for your business. You can set these up obviously in your settings. So if I wanted to take a look at, say, for example, my beers department, and I want to see the product, I can search via the beers, and it will bring up a list of all the beers that I have. This gives you a lot of information regarding these items, such as your price, your sales unit, average cost and last cost of your items, the stock levels, so what is on hand, what is available, are any items reserved or on back order, do they have a target level, reorder level, or alert levels, gives you information about the barcodes of the items, SKUs if you have any, a production unit if it's a production item, what type of item type it is, and an ingredient type. You can select as much as you want to see here by customizing it to your preferences by going over here to the little filter button, and you can select and deselect what you wish and what you do not wish to view. You can choose to export these lists by a CSV file or an Excel spreadsheet. You can also choose to create a new product. I will go into this new product in another video. So if I wanted to search by department, I can simply select here. If I choose to go and search items via supplier, I select this tab, and then I can select the supplier that I wish to search via. Or by tags, I select the tags tab, and I can select which type of tag I would like to search via, and it will bring up the items that are assigned to this tag. When I want to search just by a specific name of an item and I don't wish to go via searching through the departments, I can simply search by entering a name here, and I can go search, and it will bring up that item that I have searched for. You can also choose to search via barcode or by SKU. When it comes to over here on the left where it says search all items, this generally means that if you have created a new stock location, when you create that new stock location, it will have all your departments on the right here. However, when you select a specific department and you search for it, your products will not show up here at the bottom like how these are now. That means that when you select the search all button and you refresh, then your items will show. That means that those items are not activated yet in this department, because some businesses prefer to not have all the same items in all their different stock locations. So they may only choose to have a select few items. So that is where this button comes into play. You would need to come here and select items, select search all items, and then you select refresh, and all those items that are inactive will show up here. Then in order for you to activate the items in this department, you simply select the checkbox on the right here, on the left, and you'll see this shows up here, bulk actions. You select the three dots, and you can activate them or deactivate them if they are active. So for example, I wish to deactivate this item here, which it is already activated. I can select deactivate. That means that it will deactivate that product from my department. Once it has refreshed, I can simply deselect this, and I can refresh, and you'll see that Avotoast will have disappeared. That means that it is no longer active. So when you are looking for products and you realize that you are missing a product that you cannot find, you can simply select, it could be potentially deactivated. You select this and you go refresh, and it will show you that that item is deactivated. So I can simply select it by checkbox, and I can activate that item again. Now you'll see that when I deselect this and refresh, it will show that my item is back where it should be. Another feature of the search all items is when I select the search all items button and I select either one of these items and I go to my bulk actions. If I go to my bulk settings over here, it'll bring up a drawer. And this is where you can do many bulk settings for either an entire department or a selected a few items within the department. But if I wanted to do all the items, I can go to the bulk actions, go to my bulk settings, and I can give it a bulk setting. So if I choose to say, for example, I want them all to be ingredients only, I can select toggle and I can select yes. Then I can apply the settings. Or if they are modifiers, or if they are ingredients but not ingredient onlys, stock units, I can give them stock units. I can bulk actions by putting them into a specific department. So the bulk settings has a variety of different actions that you can do by selecting the checkboxes on the right and going into your bulk settings. This is very much similar to how it is set up on your tall order back office. So with that being said, that is stock inquiries. In the next video, I will go through in more detail about opening up items and how you edit your products and your stock movements and recipes and creating new products. Thank you.